Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun Digital. It's making money online is what you're looking for on YouTube. You've been searching for how to make money online, then this channel is for you and this video is right for you. So if you want to subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to drop a comment and like this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a new trick, a new way to make money on Adsterra directly. You want to make money through your Adsterra direct link, then this video is for you. So right now I'm going to be showing you my phone screen. While I show you that, then make sure you follow all the steps from the beginning to the very end. We have self-clicking, but this one is going to be friend-clicking. So I know you've not heard about that word before, but this is friend-clicking. So let's dive into the video. All right guys, so I have 10 steps to get started. Now what we are doing here, this is Adsterra friend clicking method. I know no one has ever told you about this method on YouTube. So in this video you're going to be learning how to do the friend clicking Adsterra friend clicking method. So if that's what you're looking for, how to make money online, then this video is for you. So right now that's what we're going to be doing. So number one, you need to do one thing. The first thing, which is the first step you need to do, is to register on Adsterra. All right, you need to register on Adsterra. So I'm going to walk you through the registration process. I know some of you have the account before, but if you don't have an account, then you need to register. So I'm going to be dropping the link to register in the description box of this video. So I'm going to be dropping the link to register in the description box of this video, or you can go ahead and search on Google and know how to go about it. So when you click on the link that I've provided in the description box of this video, what you need to do right now is to put in your email, put in your full name, put in your login, like your username, the password, then select WhatsApp, select TRC20 as your payment, then click this and submit. So let's say you've already put in all of those things. Now click on the message here, which is you're going to be selecting WhatsApp. Okay, click on WhatsApp, then put in your phone number down here. Once you put your phone number, then you select the method, which is the payment method. How do you want your money, paper, web money, and all. So you go down and select this one that say TRC20 Tron. Okay, click on that as the payment method. Okay, once you do all of these things, then tick this. Once you tick this, and then once you tick this one, then click on sign up. That's all you need to sign up to get started. So after which you've signed up your account, the next thing you want to do is to log in your account. So I'm going to log in my account right away. Okay, so once you log in your account, and then you are going to copy your Adsterra direct link. That's what we want to do. You copy your Adsterra direct link, which is the step 2. Step 2, that's the step 2 of the video. You're copying your Adsterra direct link. That is the step 2 of this. So I've logged into my account. So step 2 is what? Copy your Adsterra direct link. All right, I want you to follow the step till the last step. Okay, copy your Adsterra direct link. That's what we're doing. All right, so once you log into the account, you go ahead and copy your Adsterra. So how do you get your Adsterra direct link? If you come to this page, you see something like direct links. Click on it. When you click on the direct link, it's going to take you to where you can get your direct link. So if I come here, I'm going to see, create a direct link. For new people that are just joining, you click on create link here. All right, so click on create link. When you click on it, it's going to pop up something. So once it pop up that thing, you're going to see it here. So what you need to do right here is to just make sure you select the non-adult. Then you are going to take this out and take this out and click on add. Once you do that, it's going to tell you that they want to review your link. Once they review the link, they are going to approve it. Once they approve it, and then so what you need to do next is to just come here and copy the link. So here I have like 5 links here. So I'm going to copy one, which is my direct link that I've created earlier. So what I need to do right now is to click on this copy button and copy, boom, I've copied it. So once I copy it, I'm going to save it somewhere. All right, so I'm going to paste it somewhere to get it saved. So I'll paste it here and voila. So just go ahead and save it somewhere on your phone, because we are getting there. We are getting to use it soon. All right, so you have your direct link here already. So now the next thing you want to do is the step 3. All right, step 3. Now step 3, what you want to do is go ahead and like this video. Why do you need to like this video? I'm going to explain as we continue, but before we go, you need to like this video so that more people can see this video, and the more people see this video, the more money you make. Why? I'm going to explain that. The more money you make, the more people see this video, the more money you make. So the more money you make, the goal is to make $100. All right, every month is for us to make $100 every month with this strategy. All right, so you need to follow all the steps for you to achieve that $100. If you don't follow it, you will not achieve it. So number 1, go ahead and register your account. If you have an account already, you don't need to register again. Copy your direct link, then like this video. When you like this video, YouTube will help us push this video to more people, and the more people see this video, the more people we will be getting to click on your link. Okay, so step 4, which is you are going to go ahead and also share this video on your share this video on your social media accounts. Just share this video. Now when you share this video, the same thing, more people get to see it, and the more people you have to click your link. It is friend clicking. All right, friend clicking. So don't forget, we're going somewhere. The step 5. The step 5 is for you to go ahead, go to the comment section and just comment Adsterra free money. All right, Adsterra free money. That's what you're going to be dropping in the comment section. We're doing all of these, number 3, number 4, number 5, just because of YouTube, to help us push this video to more people. Don't forget, the more people we have, the more money we will make with this strategy. We're getting somewhere. No, so next thing you want to do, which is the step 6, if you are yet to subscribe on this channel, you know what you need to do right now, because I don't want you to miss the next one. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell on this channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bells, because I'm going to be dropping other tricks concerning this Adsterra. All right, so go ahead and do that. Step 7, you're gonna go ahead and join the WhatsApp group. All right, you join the WhatsApp group. We've already created a WhatsApp group. You join the WhatsApp group. Don't forget, you need to join the WhatsApp group. Now you can see the need for registering. Go ahead and register with Adsterra with the link I've provided in the description box. Copy your direct link, save it somewhere, like this video for YouTube to help us push it to more people. Then also share this video so that YouTube will help us push this video to more people. Go ahead and comment under the comment section Adsterra free money, so that YouTube will help us to push this video to more people, because when YouTube sees that a lot of engagement is happening on this video, they will help us push this video to more people. So number 6, go ahead and subscribe if you are yet to do so, and number 7, join the WhatsApp group. When you join the WhatsApp group, and that is where the game begins. All right, so that's step 8. What you're gonna do next is to go ahead, your Adsterra link that you've copied somewhere, go ahead and submit this Adsterra link in the group. So when you submit your link in the group, it's going to help. So what we want to do with your direct link that you've copied and submit in the group, this is how it works. Now for you to make money, this is a ladder. This is where your money is, and this is you. You need somebody that is here that will take you to this place. This person that is here that will take you to this place. Then you need another person here that will take you to this place. Then you need another person here that will help you achieve that your goal of making money. Because what we want to achieve is making $100 every month with this friend clicking strategy. All right. So until you do this, you do this and 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 do this before we can achieve this $100 monthly. All right, because if you don't do all of these things, we won't achieve it. Because when you register, you get your direct link, then you also like this video so that YouTube can help us. Because when YouTube help us to push the video to more people, we'll have more people in the WhatsApp group. All right, we'll have more people in the WhatsApp group. Same thing we are doing. When you share, we have more people in the WhatsApp group. When you comment, we have more people in the WhatsApp group. Okay, then you subscribe for more videos like this. So that is what you need to do. All right, the next thing you want to do, which is number 9, is to go ahead and you're going to share you need to share the WhatsApp group to more people. So you go ahead and share it on your WhatsApp status. You go ahead and share it other groups that you belong. Okay, because when you share the group, WhatsApp group, we have more people in the group. Let's say we have 100, or let's say we have 1,000 people in the group. If you have 1,000 group people in the group and you submit your link in the group, so 1,000 minus you will be having 999, right? 999 to click your link. All right, if 999 people from around the world, people in Ghana, in South Africa, in US, in Canada, join the group, and you are able to they are able to click on your link, that's how many impressions you are getting. So every day you are getting impression, and we will achieve our $100 monthly payout. All right, so that's the goal. So make sure go ahead and share the link, the group link, in your other group that you belong and on your status. Then the next thing you want to do, which is the last step you want to do, is to say is for me to say and tell you thank you so much for watching this video, because with you we all coming together, we can achieve this $100 monthly goal, which we will be happy at the end of every month. Okay, so go ahead and do what? Number 1, register your account with Adsterra. Number 2, go ahead and copy your direct link. Then the third one is to like this video so that YouTube will help us push it to other people. YouTube, okay, YouTube YT. And then when you share it, YouTube will also help us to push it to more people. Then when you comment, YouTube will also help us to share it with more people. And when you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, you are not going to miss the next video. And number 7, you join the WhatsApp, which is very, very important. Very important. You join the WhatsApp group. And when you join the WhatsApp group that we've created, you submit your direct link. This is your direct link here. You submit it in the group. When you submit it in the group, you also share the group to people on your status and in other groups that you belong to. So once we do this, we're able to achieve our $100 monthly. Okay, that's what we need to do to achieve this. Thank you so much. If you've gained anything from this video so far, kindly go ahead and do the number 3, number 4, number 5 if you've gained anything from this video so far. Thank you so much. Like, come away again. Bye for now.